All right, so Paul here. Hey, Paul. Paul's an intern at Elifin for the summer, and he is asking a million questions a day, right? Love it. Great, curious. And so I'm like, well, this is content, okay? So we got to film it and post it because it's incredible stuff. So Paul, ask your next question.
So Matthew, as you're way in the startup, what has been the most significant thing you've learned about yourself while building Elifin?
It's deep. That's a deep question. What's the most significant thing I've learned about myself? Well, I guess you're constantly learning about all your shortcomings and everything that you could be better at, and everything you're really good at, feels great. But all your weak points, I feel like, become exposed, and you surround yourself with people that are good at what you're not good at, or that point out, what you're not good at, and help you to see your blind spots and address them, rather than just letting them destroy the company, or destroy the value, or undercut the value that the whole company's working to create. So I think constant thing, and I think for me personally, I think that I'm just so focused and driven, and like when I get stressed, or when I'm under pressure or anything, I just take control. Like I just take control, I take the reins, and I just drive, right? And so sometimes when I do that, I can be a little bit too I can bring people down more than I build them up, I guess is the best way to put that. And so I think what I learned the most about myself is that I need to be empathetic. I need to treat people the way I want to be treated. I know if I make mistakes, I don't want somebody, I've always felt really relieved when people give me grace and give me cover and everything, and know that I'm trying to do the best that I can for the company, and it's surprising that I don't always do that for other people. And so I've learned that, especially recently, and you just learn that, and you try, and you take that feedback, and the good people take that and adjust, and the bad people take that and are they either don't adjust, they don't listen, they don't take it in, or they just they become even worse. They lash out. So that was a very deep question, Paul.